Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a delicious and hearty recipe for you, Chicken Tuscany. This dish is packed with flavors that'll transport you straight to the heart of Italy. So, let's dive right into it and get started. For this recipe, you'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm more of a thigh guy, but you can get away with either, whatever's on sale. A cup and a half of cherry tomatoes, 3 cups of fresh spinach, 3 cloves of minced garlic, quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 4 tablespoons of butter, salt, pepper, and oregano. Start by carefully removing the excess fat from the chicken, paying special attention to the larger chunks. And remember, fat adds to the rich and flavorful profile of the dish, so don't trim all of it. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, and your favorite Italian herbs. Typically, I just stick with oregano, but an Italian spice mix or something will work just fine. We want these flavors to really infuse into the chicken as it cooks. Now, heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they get that beautiful golden brown color. Keep in mind that larger pieces of chicken require longer cooking times. Once they're cooked, remove and set them aside for now. Next, melt your butter in the same pan you cooked your chicken on. This is to keep all of the chicken flavor in the dish. Toss in your minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Slide in your halved cherry tomatoes and cook until they're just beginning to pop. Usually this takes about a minute. Add in your spinach and cook until they're beginning to wilt. Together, all of these ingredients will add a burst of color and a ton of nutrition to our Chicken Tuscany. Now for the final touches. Pour in your heavy whipping cream, and of course, don't forget the Parmesan cheese. It's the ingredient that adds in the rich and indulgent flavors we love. Let it all simmer together for a few minutes until the cheese melts and the flavors meld. Return your chicken to its rightful throne. Cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes, and there you have it, folks. Our Chicken Tuscany is ready to serve. This dish looks as incredible as it tastes. The chicken is cooked perfectly, and the combination of cherry tomatoes, spinach, and Parmesan creates a symphony of flavors that simply is a must-try at home. On the topic of chicken and symphony of flavors, I wanted to take a moment to introduce you all to this channel's first sponsor, our friends over at Grub Terra. Grub Terra is a small business based out of New Jersey that raises black soldier fly larvae to feed chickens. They're passionate about their mission to divert food waste from landfills, and they're good at it too. For every 1 pound of larvae sold, they're upcycling 20 pounds of food waste. Their grubs are raised sustainably in clean and sanitary farms located in the United States, Canada, Costa Rica, South Africa, and Singapore. They're fed a nutritious diet of fruit, vegetables, palm waste, spent grains, and occasionally some meat waste. Our chickens do so much for us, eating our food scraps and turning them into delicious eggs and meat. The least we could do is provide them with the nutrition they deserve, with vital nutrients needed for optimum health, rich in proteins, health fats, and 75 times more calcium than mealworms. Stronger eggshells and healthier feathers are just a few pecks away. With both dried and live options available, they're great for chickens, ducks, turkeys, and other fowl, and certain to be the highlight of any coop's menu selection. Go to grubterra.com or click the link in the description and use code GRUB10 for 10% off your order. Thank you for watching and sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed what you saw, why not consider subscribing and hitting the notification icon to stay up to date on when I post. If you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later. But until next time, bye.